Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove hard water stains from taps and sinks. So you bought your nice new bathroom suite and you're wondering, some of you might be wondering, how am I going to keep this clean? How am I going to keep this in the same condition? And far away it looks like a nice sink, but let's get close. Oh my word, what is that? Not to worry, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to get rid of it. If you'd like to know how we got from this to this, then stay tuned. So today we're going to be using limescale for this job. It's a product I've been using for such a long time. It's really good, really fantastic. Before you try it out, I do recommend that you read the instructions. As for using any type of chemical product, it's always a good idea. So just make sure you read the instructions first. Let's get into it. This is what I'm using. And it says number 1 against limescale. Let's see how great it is. So all you need to do is put a few squirts on, and we'll come back after 5 minutes and clean it off. Hi guys, so we're back. This is 5 minutes later. It's had its chance to, all the fizzing action has dissolved. All the limescale is gone. You can see I haven't even used my sponge yet to start wiping away, but you can see that it's all dissolved. Okay, let's get my sponge and start wiping down. See, all the limescale is completely gone. I guess what they said is correct. Number 1 for limescale treatment. This product truly is amazing. Look at it, it's all gone. Let's just rinse it off and see the final look. And this is how it looks now. Limescale gone, hard water stains gone. Job done. Perfect. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.